All right, guys, welcome back. I got them all set up, and I've been playing them for a little bit now, for at least a couple hours. And so far, I'm very impressed. They sound great. They got great imaging. They just disappear. The tweeter's not too bright. The mid bass is nice and tight. Yeah, they're great, and they're not even broken in yet. But I'm going to do a quick demo here, and I'm going to explain a few things about the speaker. So the frequency response is 50 hertz to 20 kilohertz. They don't go down that deep, so yeah, maybe a subwoofer would be recommended for them, but I think they sound okay without it. They peak up to 160 watts, continuous 40 watts. Sensitivity level is 86 decibels, and they're at 8 ohms. So they're pretty efficient. I guess, you don't need a lot of power to kick them. It has one 6.5 inch LF driver. It's a paper cone. And the tweeter is a 1 inch tweeter, silk down diaphragm on medium tweeter. It's a two-way. They cross over at 2.5 kilohertz and high-wired passive low loss. They're rear ported, and the connectors are gold plated, and they are a 3/4 inch MDF with plywood internal bracings, heavily damped. So they're very well built. They look beautiful. I mean, they're just a beautiful pair of speakers. And I'll tell you, I've had speakers through here, of all kinds, and I am very impressed with, the first impression. I mean, I just, hooked them up and started playing them. I am using my Eversolo DMP A6, and I am using my Parasound preamp and the amp. And I'm going to play a quick demo here, and then I'll let them break in a little more, and I'll play something else a little later. But here we go anyways. I'm going to play Mediterranean Breakfast from Sue Foley. Well, there you go. That was Zufoli Mediterranean breakfast. I feel that they are a good speaker. I mean, for the price, I really tell you that, you know, Tannoy makes good stuff. This is the entry level. It's not a concentric driver speaker, but they did a good job the way they set it up. I'm sure that after about a week or so of breaking them in, they're really going to open up. So far, so good. I mean, they just disappear. Detail is perfect. Tweeter's not too bright, even though it is a soft dome tweeter. Yeah, I think these will probably be a keeper. Anyways, if you guys are interested in these speakers, you want something entry level and not too expensive and well built, then, you know, look these up. They're the Tannoy Platinum B6, and I got them from Upscale Audio. They do come in a couple colors. I guess it's only white and black. The blacks are really nice too. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Any comments, just let me know. Remember, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I will be posting some more demos. Okay, guys, have a good day.